and welcome back. Today we're going to be doing a brand new unboxing. Today we're going to be unboxing the next in the build and decorate your dollhouse. This time guys it's the number 69 as you can see there. But well guys, before we get into this, make sure to hit that beautiful red subscribe button. And guys, make sure to hit the bell so that way YouTube will be able to let you guys know whenever I post something new or whenever I start a new live stream. And of course guys, if you like this collection, if you like building this dollhouse with me, make sure to leave a like down below. And guys, make sure to go on over and subscribe to my awesome husband's channel, which is called Cosas Partener. It's a Spanish-speaking channel that does gaming how-tos, reviews, unboxings, lots of cool stuff guys. I will have his links down in the description below. And well guys, let's go ahead, let's get into this. Alright guys, so we have everything out of the initial plastic and now it's time to check out the magazine. Up at the top we have the title of the collection, Build and Decorate Your Dollhouse, of course in the Victorian style, and down below it says, enjoy this elegant and spectacular home of your dreams. This guys is the number 69. If you would like to see the previous 68, all you have to do is check out the playlist located in the end cards in the end of the video. And guys, here we have the dollhouse, how it will look once we have it completed. It looks really cool. I look forward to building it with you guys. And guys, this collection is from editorial Salvat. Well, let's continue on. And here it says the nightly fair, and it shows like a stall for cotton candy, plane tickets, very cool. Let's open this up, and here you can see like a sideshow booth. Here it shows you piece by piece all the different parts. Oh, and it also shows you the different, 3 of the different parts here. And here you have a photo booth. And a band, and here it shows you how to connect this wooden piece to the dollhouse that we got, and it walks you through step by step of how to do that. Very cool. And here it talks about these big, nice, comfy chairs. Cool, like leather and like studded chairs like this. personally, I think this one is the best, but you guys tell me what you guys think. Do you like this one or the one that was on the other page? Tell me down in the comments below. And here it talks about Edgar Allan Poe. I love his poetry. So this is really cool that they include him here. And well guys, that's the end of that. Here on the back, you just have the dollhouse, how it will look once you have it completed. And as I said before guys, this is from editorial Salvat. And well, let's flip back to the front. And now guys, it's time to check out the new addition to our dollhouse. So let's go ahead and let's do that now. Okay guys, so first up we have this little stick for the house. This will be like for a support. There we go, we have it in better focus there. I'm gonna show you one side. And let me show you the other one. There we go. And then on the other sides, it's just flat. And okay guys, so moving right along. Let's just open this Ziploc. And okay, so we have the mop here. It's very cool. I think, like the broom, I'm going to spruce this one up a bit. Maybe add some decorations later to here. I mean, it's a nice base, but I think with a little bit extra, it'll look really nice. And well guys, you tell me, what do you guys think? Tell me down in the comments below. I look forward to hearing from you. And well guys, that's the end of that. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. If you did, make sure to leave a like down below. And while you're moseying around down there guys, make sure to hit that beautiful red subscribe button. And guys, make sure to hit the bell so that way YouTube will be able to let you guys know whenever I post something new or whenever I start a new live stream. And of course guys, if you haven't yet, make sure to go on over and follow me on my Twitter, Instagram, Facebook. I will have those linked, of course, down in the description below. And guys, make sure to go on over and subscribe to my awesome husband's channel, which is called Cosas Bartender. It's a Spanish-speaking channel that does gaming how-tos, reviews, unboxings, and live streams as well, which I'm a part of. So make sure to go on over and subscribe to him. I will have his links down in the description below. And well guys, I will see you next time. Have a great day. Bye-bye.